Thank you everyone. I am Rajdeep Acharya from MSc second semester Biotechnology department. My Skillex presentation is based on multivitamin tablet production from medicinal plant extract. A multivitamin is a preparation intended to serve as a dietary supplement with vitamin, dietary mineral and other nutrient elements. Such preparations are available in the form of tablet, capsule, powder, liquid or injected formulation. Many vitamin formulations contain vitamin C, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin B6 and so on, and also vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin D2, and the minerals are potassium, iodine, selenium, zinc, calcium, magnesium, molybdenum, beta carotene and iron etc. So at first we have to overcome two terms, that are what are vitamins and what are multivitamins. Vitamins are small organic molecules that are present in diet which are required in small amount. Vitamins are of two kinds. They are fat soluble vitamin and water soluble vitamin. Fat soluble vitamins that are contain only vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K, whereas water soluble vitamin contain vitamin B complex and vitamin C. A multivitamin contains several vitamins, minerals and irons all known to be essential for health. Multivitamin contain vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B12, even also vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin D2, vitamin D3, zinc, calcium, potassium, iodine, magnesium, iron, beta carotene. So here we are starting our main skillex that is based on production of multivitamin tablet. The first step is choosing of medicinal plant. In the world there are so many kind of medicinal plant like tamarind, Indian gooseberry, Psidium guajava, betel leaf and parsley. Selection of medicinal plants that contain vitamin and mineral is a very important step. Here we choose tulsi, aloe vera and pudina. Tulsi contain vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, calcium, magnesium, whereas pudina contain vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B6, beta carotene, folate, and also aloe vera contain vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin B12, vitamin E, potassium and sodium. The next step is wash the material. Before washing the material, we also have to wash our hand very carefully, because in the free environment our hand is contaminated with so many microbes. So if we touch the medicinal plant leaves with this contaminated hand, with the leaves can be contaminated with microbes. So before touching the leaves we have to wash our hand very carefully. Then we have to carry all these medicinal plant leaves to the tap water and wash them thoroughly to remove the bacteria. The third step is cut the leaf into small pieces, and in case of aloe vera we will use to cut the leaf and remove the top and keep the aloe vera leaf at 90 degrees to remove all the latex from the leaf. The next step is pressing the leaves. Now press the medicinal wash leaves using a pressing device such as a sieve to squeeze the liquid from the leaves. Heavy pressing will squeeze the liquid. Use a fair amount of strength when pressing, but take care not to damage or break the implement you are using. After pressing these leaves, the liquid extract will come out along with the plant leaf debris. Now collect them in a jar and purify them using a strainer. Place it on another jar and keep this plant leaves extract along with the plant leaves debris on it. After a few time, the purified extract medicinal plant leaves will be in that jar placed below the strainer, and the plant leaves debris will be in the strainer. In case of aloe vera, after removing the latex, just wash the leaves and cut it to open, and the extract the gel and mix the gel in the extract of tulsi and pudina. The last step is encapsulation. To encapsulate, We will use empty liquid fill type hard gelatin capsule. Empty liquid fill type hard gelatin capsules are easy to dissolve and they dissolve very fast. We will pour the empty liquid fill type hard gelatin capsule with pudina leaf extract, tulsi leaf extract and aloe vera gel which contain vitamins and minerals. Then we will close the liquid fill type hard gelatin capsule and our vitamin capsule is now ready. These are the biological importance of multivitamin. Multivitamins are essential for growth, maintenance, and reproduction. Fat-soluble vitamins in multivitamin are required for normal color vision, blood clotting, and bone formation and maintenance of membrane structure, whereas water-soluble vitamins in multivitamin function as coenzyme or prosthetic group of several enzymes involved in carbohydrate, lipid, and protein metabolism. Vitamin A and vitamin D also act as a steroid hormone. Some vitamin in multivitamin used as drug, for example, folic acid analogs are used as anti-cancerous agent and antibiotics. Thank you so much to my respected teachers and my classmates.